Morning, everybody. So, who's ready? We've got a few stocks to watch for today. We've got GTI reversing from a huge bottom, the 18. We got EKSO jumping 40%. We have a pump and dump for many stock guys in the pre-market. So, this is good because they are discounted right now, is not overextended like before. So today we might have different story for many stocks. CLIK or Click. This one was the best trade for today, guys, because it hit our target that we discussed earlier on our hunt and our live streaming early on. So now we have to adjust the support because we expect a pullback for this one later on because now it's kind of overextended because it hit the $1. So guys, let's get right to it. Hit the like button on the way in. We have to narrow down our list for today and focus on few stocks. Let's see. Lucy from yesterday, pull back. DEVS pulling back as well. ACHR, it is strong but moves slowly. TNXB is getting near the resistance. GTEI, yeah, I'm gonna keep those stocks. Let's see. NXHL, nope. APP could be later. Alligator, let's see. Yes, I'm gonna keep those 5 stocks to watch. The other stocks that we have to watch is Walmart. Went from green to red. I'm watching for a dip for Walmart, guys. With Papa as well went down. D is going to Falahala. Is going to all-time high for today. D could be good, guys, after the earnings as well. The market yesterday we have now is pulled back from yesterday jump. This is normal, guys. The market is kind of correcting now. And correcting not a lot, just by 1%. So nothing changed. I'm waiting for AMD to test the support here. Palantir yesterday tested the all-time high. The SPY is correcting down a bit. So it's not bad after all. For today, we got, as we said, EKSO for a breakout from here. We got NVNI in the live stream. Ahmed asked about NVNI and Lobo. NVNI and Lobo. I will check 2 of them. NVNI, no good yet, brother. I don't like it for now because it's still below the current resistance, the 76. It could be good, yes, as long as we hold the current support here. The current support, it is over the 31. So as long as we hold the 31, would be great for a breakout from the 73 and go toward almost the $1. So my target is first around the 93. After that, we've got the 119. So NVNI, not bad. For Lobo, yeah, it reversed from yesterday. It's squeezing up right now. And now testing a major resistance, yeah, around the 176. Current target, we got 2, the 240 and the 246 for Lobo. Yeah, now the current bottom is still around the 81. And first support should be over the 127. Yeah, Lobo did the huge jump. I think we got some news right now. Yes, Lobo Research 6 million agreement to supply 5,000 electric vehicle to US market. That's why it jumped, because we got this news. If we don't have this news, it could have been game over for it. This one, it is, yeah, too risky because it's pulling back again now. So I'm gonna keep MAIA, that's biotech company that have a chance for a breakout from the 219. We got Click, the top gainer for today. We got NCNA. It could be good as well if we have the current support over the 5 cents. We got GTAI doing all right here as well. NVNI. Yeah, NVNI, I'm going to take it from the list, is a bit weak. So Lobo is really good right now, guys. Lobo is pretty good. But the breakout or the pump already happened 100%. So I expect a pullback because now we're testing a resistance. So I'm going to put a bit of profit here just in case. And the other profit taken is here. Yeah, so 195 and 238 are targets. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hit the like button on the way in. Let's check if we got some other unicorn jumping right now. Nothing much. Nothing much. Walmart reporting earning pre-market, guys, with Baba. We got D as well. Those the top stocks that reported earning. For Friday, we don't have a lot. Anyway, let us check again if we got in pre-market. FL, yeah, Ahmed, you asked me about Foot Locker jumping 83%. This is madness because FL, Foot Locker, is not penny stock. What's going on? Why 83? Holy baloney, look at that. Jumped from the 11 until the 23. It jumped before even the earnings on the 29th of May. And I think we got huge news. Holy baloney. We got a deal. We're sporting good around 2.4 billion. Offering is 24 cash or stock options. Holy baloney. Guys, this is a huge news, guys. What a crazy jump. This is unprecedented. I never saw something jump like this before. Market cap is 1 billion, and now I think is going toward the all-time high. Because Foot Locker was back in 2017 around the 78, and now is recovering from this dip. What a crazy jump, man. What a crazy jump. So now currently we have a nice support around the $20 for Foot Locker. The target for Foot Locker right now is around the 25.94. Yeah, I expect another maybe 10% for Foot Locker if we're lucky. Crazy work. So yesterday, I think after hours, we have this jump. Today, after the market opened, pre-market, we have another jump of 15%. So Foot Locker, guys, is crazy. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. Wow. From the 12 toward the 23. So yeah, today could be good for Foot Locker guys for locking again more gain for today. So I'm watching for this support around the 22. We have two supports here. So we got FL Foot Locker, we got AYTU. Yeah, AYTU guys, it need to break the $2.23 for a squeeze. AYTU, I'm gonna keep it on the other list just in case for today. So click is got the target around the 108. I expect a pullback at the market open, guys, because it's kind of overextended here. We got MAIA biotech company have a chance for a reversal. I'm waiting for the market open for a volume picking up again. NCNA look really great here if we broke from the 63. Yeah, it's about to do something here. We got GTI, the same, need to have a breakout from the 25. Lobo is pulling back a bit, exactly around the 175. And FL or Foot Locker is jumping up after a huge news of acquisition, I think. Yeah, 2.4 billion. We got an offering around the 24. That's why the price is near the 24 right now. Is around the 23.70. Price analyst targets yearly. We got around the 16 before this jump. Okay, D is kind of breaking out here, guys, over the 515. We might have a squeeze for it before the market open for D. SMCI is pulling back a bit, 2%. Tesla 2%. Expect a little pullback for today, guys. So we have to be ready for a pullback. CRWV have earnings. CRWV, yes, push back up and went down. It need to hold over the support, the $60. We have the 75 as a target to break. Support to hold is the $60. CETX. Okay, this one not good. It's too dangerous. Good morning, everybody. How everybody doing? Lizzie, KK, Brenda, good morning. Let's go, Brian. Alexander in the house, good morning. Here in France is good afternoon. Cheers, Brian, how are you doing? Exactly, hit the like button on the way in. Thank you, Brian, for reminding everybody. And me is good morning, man. Okay, Satish Raman, thank you for this news. Satish has said the SMCI have a refrigerator data center building block solution, simplify and shorten global scale. Satish Raman, I think you just copy paste some news from the internet. Wow, yeah, Foot Locker is doing great, man. Norma, ICCT, what's going on? ICCT is not my cup of tea. It's too risky play here. There's big seller around the $3.35. Support is a bit wide. Around the $2, there's another support around the 239. So ICCT, maybe I will keep it on the waiting list, but not on the main list. No, 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 no. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the hunt. If this is the first time for you guys, remember we always go live every day. Every day, discuss the market. If you don't know, now you know. And again, this is our community and our Discord and picture. If you want to have really early access to our live streaming, live alerts, and reply on your questions regarding stocks, updating levels. Alexander, first time here. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Where are you from, man? From your name, I can feel that you are from Italy, Rome, Alexander the Great. Canada, welcome, man. The French part or the English part? I think the English part is way bigger than the French side of because Canada's the French side is, I think, in the East Coast. John, good morning, man. Good morning. Shout out to my brother from Canada. We have a lot of traders from Canada, more than European traders. We have the United States #1, then Canada. Even on my analytic, when I check for the people who are watching right now, almost 60% from our people watching and trading are from United States. So shout out to United States and Canada to be the top 1 traders in the world. Europe always come last. Or Africa. I think Africa come last. Nobody trade in Africa. I think in Africa they trade fruits and vegetables. So I'm from Africa, so I know exactly what's going on over there. They don't care about trading or investing because they just live in the moment. They just need a farm and a bit of sheep and chickens, and you're good to go. You don't need to think too much. Alexander, great question, man. Great question. Wait a second. Let me just. So, to reply on your question, Alexander, this is uh, this is the chart that we're using. I mean, here's the link for our chart. This is the platform that we use the chart from. And if you live in Canada or United States, it's better to use Momo. But I use Trading 212, which is based in Europe. So if you live in Canada, it's better to use Momo as a trading platform. So because I use uh, different platforms, so I check the trading view because it's better to trade and do the levels and trading view and execute on my broker. So that's why I suggest for you to log on TradingView or use TradingView as a chart and use the Momo as a broker. SMCI, for SMCI guys, we have a little pullback. This is normal. We have a bit of resistance for today to break at the market open. I think this is will give us the sentiment of the market. If we don't break this resistance, it means we're gonna have a little pullback toward the 41 and maybe even the 37. If we broke, we might have another jump toward the $50. It's a critical moment for the market, guys. Critical moment. This is could be the first red day after for this week if we didn't break the orange line or around the 44. By the way, guys, we got major news for this biotech company announced direct participation in recent private placement. This is just came today, and we expect a huge turning point for this stock. We already traded this one before, guys, and right now we've got a breakout is about to happen for today. MAEIA, MIA or MIA, so biotech company. Recently had their earnings back in 9th of May, and now we got a resistance around the $2.19, guys, to break. Now it's up in the pre-market 6%. Remember, guys, the market is about to open at any second, so we have to bring our disclaimer. Remember, our live stream is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. The market is open. Make sure to hit the like button and the way in, and don't forget to subscribe because we always go live 30 minutes before the market opens. So for now, guys, we got a few stocks to watch. Click, it is the top gainer for today, 200%. Already hit our profit taken around the $1. We got MAIA, biotech company that as we expect to have another squeeze up if we broke the $2.19. We still have a support and a big buyer over this support, which is the 172. This one, guys, have a turning point to hold, and right now is light on volume, just 50K, but I expect a turning point after this announcement that came, I think, yesterday, 14th of May, about the direct participation in free and private placement, which might give us a bit of volume change later on. Early on in the pre-market was 10%, now it's pulling back a bit, 6%. And the other ones, we got NCNA is trying to break out here, about to break out. Yeah, NCNA looking great, guys, for a breakout at the market open, if only if we break the 63. So NCNA, yeah, NCNA should be first right now. GTI, no good for now. Foot Locker, guys, I think it's gonna be locked here because it's overextended. Lobo is pulling back a lot, so I'm gonna take it from the list. APP is still holding. This one is still holding the support. AI, this one could be a nice jumper for later, yes. Lobo is pulling back. GTI, nope. So I'm gonna take Foot Locker from the list and focus on those stocks. NCNA, guys, testing the resistance. We might have a breakout now. We might have our breakout right now. Watch out, guys. This one could be really good. Yeah, the only one that move right now is NCNA. But guys, this one, I think I'm gonna take it from the list because we can't trade it. We can't trade it here on Europe. We have just €5 to buy this one. So I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna pass on it, even though it's breaking out and doing great. Be careful, this one is jumping from a huge bottom. So there is a lot of sellers right now between the 7 and the 6 cents. We might have a fake out and pull back down here. MAIA, guys, is squeezing. MAIA currently is squeezing toward the 219. Be careful, guys. This one is moving. We getting near our profit taken around the $2.19. We might hit our profit taken right now. Would be great if we hit the profit taken. Yeah, $2.06. $2.10 would be great. Yeah, $2.06. This one moving with light volume, guys. MAIA. Already did the update and chart for it early on before the move. As you can see here, guys, it was around the $1.86. It says just for entry, just over the support, the 172. And now is what $2.06. Guys, make sure to take a bit of profit from this one because we might have a little pullback on 219. Now is getting near a nice resistance. The $2.19, for my opinion, will be a huge resistance. $2.04. You know, yeah, $2.04 right now. Yeah, we're gonna just have a bit of the problem is light on volume. Even if you want to sell, will take a bit of time. Anyway, so guys, watch out. Watch out. Click is didn't break. NCNA got flushed down after testing the resistant, of course. And MAEI, I think we might have a little pullback right now. This is normal. Interesting. Let's go. Click is pulling back a lot right now, guys. Be careful. Click is pulling back a lot. Okay, let's see. We got SMCI is breaking out. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the resistance here. We have another support right now for SMCI to hold over the 43. Tesla, no breakout. Coinbase is pulling back down. AMD, nothing. Guys, be careful. SMCI might have a fake out here. The main resistance is the 47. So if we don't break it, it's mean we're gonna go down. For Walmart is pulling back down toward the support. I expect the 90 for a reversal right now. The 90 should be a nice reversal for Walmart. And here. Wow, Cisco doing all right here. Yeah, doing really all right for a breakout. Okay. What's we got here? Click, yeah, is pulling back. We got MAIA is pulled back as well. We got ATU didn't break. NCNA, we have a huge pullback and a fake out. This one is too risky right now after this reaction, so I'm gonna take it from the list. Yeah, we got a bit of pullback, guys. Still, we got Cisco. A lot of you asking about Cisco. Yeah, Cisco is about to break out here. Yeah, Cisco is looking all right. Walmart, we need a reversal for Walmart right now, guys, toward at least the 93. We might have a good reversal for Walmart. I'm expecting a bottom right now to be hit around the 90 and 87. Yeah, well, Cisco guys doing all right now for a breakout. The breakout already happened. Baba is getting near the 123, guys. Okay, let's see again what's going on. Click, guys, clicked again. We might have a haltation for click. We might have a haltation if we broke the $1.03. And we currently halted. Yes, we currently halted, guys, around the $1. Let's see the halted stocks here. We got REE, RYET, click. Let us check those stocks. REE, RYIET. We got PTHL. We got 4 stocks right now got halted. Okay, this one is dead. This one is dead. This one is dead. So the only one that's halted up is click. And we got MAIA, still light on volume, but still in the green side. Yeah, the main resistant target is the $2.18, guys. We got near to it around the 208, but the price pulled back. Let's see which stock for today got the main attraction. Okay. Walmart, we got a reversal. It's coming up. We got a target for Walmart to go to around 95. Yeah, we have to go toward 95 before going toward the 90. Cisco is going to Valhalla. Holy baloney. CSCO is the one right now. CSCO. Okay, so for Cisco, we got a strong resistance around the 65. We might have a major target here or around the 65, yeah, 22. Current support is the 62 for Cisco. Walmart is doing all right for a reversal. It's back to 95 now. Baba is going down, guys. It have a nice dip right now, going toward a nice dip toward the 123. Yeah, Cisco is jumping. We got SMCI going down a bit toward the 43. Tesla pulling back. Nvidia the same. So today we got a bit of pullback for the market. Cisco, we might have a nice day for Cisco, guys, toward the 65 at least. Walmart has started to reverse. We expect, as we said, the 95 for a little reversal. Now let us go back and check Click. Yeah, Click didn't break, guys. Didn't break the resistance. Zap going electric. Why you say that? Not good, man. Zap is not good. NVNI doing good. I will double check NVNI. Yeah, but not that good for me to put it on the main list. Yeah, Click. Still waiting for Walmart to go up more toward the 95. Baba is getting near a nice dip here, guys. 7%. We might have a good dip for Baba here. Cisco trying to go to all-time high, the 65 or the 66, yes. The 66 should be a nice target for Cisco. But the market is a bit weak. That's why we have a bit of struggle here for Cisco to go higher a bit. Yeah, Walmart, I think, is gonna go down more down before it's going up. Yeah, Cisco doing all right here. Phenomenal work for Cisco. The market have a bit of struggle, especially for SMCI, Tesla, but all of them holding the support, guys. All of them holding the support perfectly. Click try to break the $1 again, $1.08, but it didn't. MAIA is still holding. The volume is picking up little by little. As long as we hold the 1672, there's a chance for another jump. AT or AYTU, no good for now, is a bit weak. The rest of the market, not my cup of tea. ASST tested the support around the 390 and started to pull back up. AP, AB and P or APP. No good, man. Yeah, no good. The short added their position around this 26, and there is no recovery from the support so far from the 20 cent. It's holding the bottom, the 20 cent. If we broke the 20, will be no good anymore for today. Yeah, Cisco doing fantastic. Cisco doing fantastic, everybody. It's going toward the 66. Walmart, the same. We expect a reversal right now for Walmart. Okay, Walmart, guys, there is a support here, a little one. If we held it, will be great over the 92.76. Yeah, Walmart start to reverse. And Cisco is getting near the 65, which is a resistant right now. Yeah, we got a resistant now, 65.22 for Cisco. Let me just adjust the support here for Cisco around the 64. We discussing the only two stocks that looking strong, guys. Cisco have earnings from the early this week and now started to jump. Walmart have earnings and now start to reverse from the bottom. So let's see. We might test the 65 and flush for Cisco, guys. So be careful. Walmart, I expect a reversal now, 2%. Can I put alerts? Yeah, I think we're gonna have a pullback here. Will be ideal if we test the 65 before a pullback. And I think, no, I think the pullback will happen before the test. Yeah, the pullback is happening now. Anyway, Baba is getting near the support here. Cisco, SMCI, Tesla, Nvidia, Coinbase, everything's down. Crypto is down a bit. Click is still below the resistance. MAIA, nothing much here. Yeah, this one could be for later, guys. If we broke the 219 would be great. So far, we have a strong buyer over the 172. We have a huge wick at the market open, as you can see here. A test for this seller around the 218, which is still heavily reside below the $2.18. Now the volume is pick up from the 50K, now is almost 200K for MAIA. So still have a potential for a retest. The same for this one. It's losing momentum. This one was really great, guys, early on our Hunter channel here. We discussed it early. KDLY, please. Ahmed asked about KDLY. 18%, nothing much happening for this one, my brother. Nothing much happening. We got the support 750. It pulled back from the 31. For now, yeah, we got a resistance around the $10.30. It could go up. If we go up, we might have the first the 1590, and after that maybe the 26. But now it's pulling back. The resistance, as we said, is just below here, below the 1064. If we don't break this level, it means we're gonna go back down at least around the 4, or maybe the 5 first. Yeah, 520. For now, we have support 750, resistance. If we don't break the 1064, it means we're gonna go toward the 5. If we broke, we're gonna have the 15. This one is pulling back. Got another question here. George, simple answer to your question. If we broke the 20, game over. If we held, we're gonna reverse. No in between. No, I don't like the trend for APP, to be honest, brother. That's why I don't put it on the main list. And it broke it right now. We have a breakout from the support. So I don't like it, man. The best thing to do for APP is to wait until we break this resistance around the 24. Otherwise, it will be risky. 24 is the major resistance now. Okay, Walmart is going up slowly. Oh, come on. Oh, Walmart, Walmart, Walmart. Wow, Cisco is going up more. Tested our resistance, 65. We might have a pullback now. Man, nice hunt, man, for Cisco. Nice hunt. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, it's really good for Cisco, brother. Cisco was great hunt. 5% is good, man. As a reminder, guys, Cisco was on our hunt yesterday. We did chart analysis update yesterday for entry for Cisco. It was a great trade because it held over the 58 perfectly. So this trade was on our elite 1 day swing trade that we did yesterday for our elite members. And a man already took his profit on this trade. Nice hunt, man. 5% is good. Safe trades. So let us do a recap for the market. As we said, guys, MAIA could be good for a potential entry before this breakout. The price could have another try to break the resistance. For now is around the 9%. As long as we hold the 172 will be great for breakout from the discount resistance, the $2.18. So we're waiting for the volume to pick up. Right now, we still between the resistance support for MAIA. The other one we got click. We didn't break the resistance around the 108, so this one could be for later as well. We got other stocks to watch. Walmart for reversal, Cisco for a rejection around the 65, as we discussed yesterday here. It was a great hunt for Cisco, guys. Yes, we hit the targets technically around the 66. Now it's going back down a bit. Walmart, yes, nice reversal from the bottom, guys, for Walmart. We might have a good reversal right now. What else we got here? Baba still going down. D is going up. So the market is a bit slow for today. Yeah, it's a bit slow. So, SMCI is pulling back down. Be careful, guys. Today we might have a nice dip for SMCI. Yeah, a good dip is coming for SMCI, guys. NCNA, ASST, yes, a reverse from the bottom perfectly. Yeah, from the 3.90 as we discussed yesterday. So ASST could be good for later because it started to reverse. We got NCNA now is putting back. Yeah, it was quick exit from the 6 because it was the resistance. No, it's Hunt John. Great. 32% is really good. IXHL moving fast. Didn't hit my scan. Yeah, it reversed from the support, the 60. So yeah, it could be good for reversal later. What else we got? Yeah, those the main stocks for today. We're gonna do update again, guys, for those main stocks. I just put them here. We got almost few of them here. So we're gonna discuss them later. Like what we did for yesterday. Yesterday we did a nice swing trade for Cisco. If we have another play like Cisco, guys, we're gonna put them again on our Discord and Bitchum. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join and have access for those play before the earnings or before the jump. We got Ahmed ask about IXHL, HIMS, Jason. For HIMS, I think is not on our list, man. HIMS is not on our list anymore. And it is for a reason, because it's pulling back down. It's going toward the bottom, brother, around the 54 and 52. This is the bottom right now for HIMS. After hitting the target, the 66. Now the current resistance and profit taken is around the 58 and 62. Bottom support reversal is the 52 and 54. But it's too risky, man. It's too risky for me. IXHL looking great, but it need to break the not clear resistance, for my opinion. We don't have a clear resistance for it. Just below the 94. Bottom is 60 and 50. Nothing changed for XHL. Great hunt, everybody. We're gonna discuss everything later on our Discord. In the meantime, see you back as usual tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.